Good wishes, dear students. In today's class, we will work out another numericals taken from page number 221 under Evaluate Yourself question. Now, it is based on Arrhenius equation, which is equals to K is equals to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. As you know, K stands for rate constant, A stands for frequency factor, EA activation energy, R gas constant, and a temperature under Kelvin or in terms of Kelvin. The given question for a first order reaction at rate constant at 500 Kelvin is 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse. Calculate the frequency factor if the energy of activation for the reaction is 190 kilojoules per mole. Writing the formula, you need to, because the question is you need to calculate the frequency factor. Just rearrange the formula differently, that is taking log on both the sides. Log K is equals to log A. The exponential, the part term will come down. So we'll write it as a minus EA by 2.303 into R into T. As you know, K value is given in the question 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 second inverse. Temperature is 500 Kelvin. EA, that is activation energy, is 190 kilojoules per mole. Now this kilo can be converted into, so 190 into 10 to the power 3. This kilo, I am converting it with the value that is 10 to the power 3 into joules per mole remains as it is. Substituting this value into the formula, since we have to calculate the frequency factor value, we can rearrange the formula so that log A is equals to minus term on the other side becomes a plus term. So log K plus EA by 2.303 into RT. As you know, log K value, substitute the value into EA. All those value when we substitute, joule and joule gets cancelled. This is a unit for a gas constant. Mole inverse and mole inverse gets cancelled. So we are left with the remaining value. Log 8 value 0.9031 I have written. Already I have told you log of 10 to the power minus 4. The value will be minus 4. If it is a positive number, the value will be positive number. Minus number, the value will be minus number. So I am writing 10 to the power minus 4 as just minus 4 plus 19.85. From where do we get this value? Systematically I have worked out for you. Either you can make use of, as I keep repeating, normal calculations, or to save time you can make use of the logbook. Log of 190, 2.2788. Now 10 to the power 3, the same formula can be utilized here. So 3.00. Since it's a multiplication in between them, add both the value. You get 5.2788. Now come down to the denominator. Log of 2.303 gives you 0.3623. Log of 8.314 gives you 0.9198. 500 gives you 2.6990. Here again multiplication is involved. Add all the terms, so you get 3.9811. So 190 into 10 to the power 3 gives you 5.2788, and the lower term gives you 3.9811. Making use of the log, we go to subtract, we get 1.2977. For that 0.29, you know how to make use of the anti-log table. 0.2977, when we calculate the anti-log, we get 1985. You know that 1 means on the answer side you have to move 2 decimal places. So the answer will become 19.85. Anti-log of 0.2977 is 1985. 1 place is given. You have to add one more number to it. All these calculations I have taught you. So 2 will be 19.85. And that's what I have written. Now here again we have to do the calculations. Minus 4, 0.9031 integers. So minus 4, when we this is a positive number, this is a negative number. When you subtract, you get bar 3 or minus 3.0969. Now this is a positive number given to you here. So subtract it from here. 19.8500 minus 3.0969. When we subtract, we get 16.7531.
Here again, anti-log, look for 0.75 under third column with a mean difference of 1, which gives you 5 point, because if I look at it on the whole, forgetting about the 16, we get the value to be 5, means 56636 we get. If you consider to be 0 after one decimal place, we will get it as a 5.6636. Now the same thing, I can write it in terms of the value that is 16. I can make use of this formula, write it in terms of pass. So the final answer is 5.66 into 10 to the power 16 second inverse approximately. I am repeating once again. Here you look for, forget about the 16, consider 0.75 you look. If you consider to be 0, in the final answer, after one place you will have to move. So 5, 6 happens. Actually the answer is 56636. When you consider it to be 0 point, it becomes 5.66. That answer, the whole term can be written it as a part 10 to the power 16 second inverse. Thank you.